What's up guys, I'm Frank from Totally Foodies. Today I'm going to be making chili. This chili has some beautiful pops of color from vegetables and the consistency of a thick sloppy Joe sauce. Let's see how you can make some. So first we're going to cut up some green bell pepper and some onion. We're just going to roughly chop them. Also shout out to my grandmom for giving me this knife set she had in her closet for a couple years. Love you, grandmom. Make sure that when you're rough chopping the bell pepper and the onion, that they are not so small that you lose them to the ground beef and the sauce, but not so big that you may end up making something that looks like a vegetarian chili, because this isn't vegetarian at all. And once we finally chop all of our vegetables, we're gonna mince some garlic, just some snip off the ends and peel off the papery exterior. And then just give that a rough mince with your chef's knife, because I did not feel like grinding it into paste or using a garlic press. We're going to brown our ground beef to render some of the fat, and because browning creates flavor. But we don't want to accidentally char it and get crispy, that will ruin the texture. Render some of the fat and drain all of the fat so that the sauce isn't as fattening. And we're going to add back our vegetables and let them simmer for a few minutes. But then we're also going to add crushed, diced, and tomato paste in that order, as well as just let them get to know each other. Just give a stir, let it simmer for a few minutes before we add spices, which is chili powder and cumin. And I checked to see if you put beans in chili. You put beans in chili if A, the people that will eat the chili also like beans, or B, you like beans and chili more than the people who will also eat the chili with you. So put beans in at your own risk. I will put beans in. I'm also putting back in the garlic that I totally forgot to add until now. And this will create a nice chili. It's not spicy at all because the people who I was making it for do not like spice whatsoever. And this was a great chili. Also my first time making chili. See you later.